Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My name is Yasinta Azahra. I'm from Management Class 24A, NPM 244110099. And today I am going to talk about decoding macroeconomic data. I hope this video provides you with a clear understanding of the subject. Let's just start. Decoding macroeconomic data. Welcome. This presentation provides an overview of key macroeconomic indicators, their significance, and reliable data source. Understanding these indicators is crucial for business, investors, and policymakers to make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the global economy. Macroeconomic data offers insight into economic trends, enabling better planning and strategic execution. Gross domestic product (GDP). GDP represents the total value of goods and service produced within a country's borders, serving as a comprehensive measure of economic activity. Real GDP adjusts for inflation, providing a more accurate picture of economic growth. The GDP growth rate indicates whether the economy is expanding or contracting. According to the BEA, the US real GDP grew to 5% in 2023, indicating moderate economic expansion. Definition: total value of goods and service products in country. GDP growth rate, indicator of economic expansion or contraction. Real versus nominal GDP, adjusting for inflation. Inflation rate. The inflation rate measures the rate which the general level of price for goods and services rise, affecting purchasing power and economic stability. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) tracks change in price paid by urban consumers, while the Product Price Index (PPI) measures change in selling price received by domestic producers. The US CPI increased 31% in January 2024, reflecting persistent inflationary pressures. Consumer Price Index (CPI) measures the average change over time in the price paid by urban consumers. Producer Price Index (PPI) measures the average change over time in the selling price received by domestic producers. Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate represents the percentage of the labor force that is actively seeking employment but unable to find it. The labor force participation rate indicates the proportion of the population actively engaged in the labor market. Different types of unemployment, frictional, structural, and cyclical, reflect various economic conditions. In January 2024, the US unemployment rate stood at 3.7%, BLS, indication a relatively healthy labor market. Frictional, short-term unemployment, cyclical, due to economic downturn. structural mismatch of skills and jobs. Interest rates. Interest rates represents the cost of borrowing money, influencing investment decision of economic growth. The federal funds rate set by the Federal Open Market Committee (FOMC) serves as a benchmark for borrowing costs. Current federal funds rate is 5.25%, 5.50% February 2024, impacting borrowing costs, investment, and overall economic activity. Higher interest rates can curb inflation but might also slow economic growth. Borrowing costs, investment, economic growth. Government debt and fiscal policy. Government debt is the total amount of money owed by the government, while the budget deficit or surplus reflects the difference between government revenue and spending. Fiscal policy involves the government use of spending and taxation to influence the economy. The U.S. national debt stands at $34 trillion February 2024, raising concerns about long-term fiscal sustainability and potential impact on future economic growth. 1. Government debt. Total amount of money owed by the government. 2. Budget deficit or surplus. Difference between government revenue and spending. 3. Fiscal policy. Government use of spending and taxation. Exchange rates. Exchange rates define the value of one currency in terms of another, significantly impacting trade, investment, and international competitiveness. Factors influencing exchange rate include interest rates, inflation, and economic growth. Fluctuation in the EUR/USD exchange rate, for instance, can affect the competitiveness of European and American export and the profitability of international investment. Understanding exchange rate dynamic is crucial for business engages international trade and investment. 1. Trade. 2. Investment. 3. Competitiveness. Leading economic indicators. Leading economic indicators are metrics that tend to change before the economy is evolved, offering insight into future economy trends. Examples include new orders for manufactured goods, building permits, and consumer confidence. By monitoring these indicators, economic and policy makers can forecast potential economic shifts and take proactive measures. These indicators help anticipate change rather than reacting to current data. 1. New orders. 2. Building permits. 3. Consumer confidence. Data source. Reliable data sources are essential for accurate economic analysis and informed decision making. The Bureau of Economic Analysis (BIA) provides data on GDP and personal income. The Bureau of Labor Statistics (BLS) over information on employment and inflation. The Federal Reserve reserve provides insight into interest rates and monetary policy. The Kensu Bureau offers population and housing data, all vital for understanding the broader economic landscape. 1. BIA 2. BLS 3. Federal Reserve. Conclusion using macroeconomic data. Understanding macroeconomic trends is crucial for informed decision making by business, investor, and policymakers. Staying informed with reliable data source is paramount for navigating economic complexities and making strategies choices. By leveraging macroeconomic data effectively, stakeholders can mitigate risks, capitalize on opportunities, and contribute to sustainable economic growth. Continuous learning and adaptation are key in an ever-evolving economic landscape. 90% of economists rely on macroeconomic data for forecasting. 75% of business or macroeconomic data for strategic planning.